As your business grows, it's challenging to keep on top of your data security. You need to have the flexibility to move forward fast, but with the peace of mind that your data is backed up and safe at all times. This is the point where the helping hand of a professional like DC Encompass comes in. Our team will devise a solution that is suited to your specific data storage and backup requirements. Whether this includes cloud storage or physical infrastructure, we specialize in the most robust solutions that ensure your data is always safe, secure, and readily available. Threats to your data are always present, however. At DC Encompass, our stringent backup storage strategy is also replicated in an off-site location of your choice, adding a further layer of safety. And if there is an unavoidable disaster, our continuity plans facilitate a quick recovery. As we assist a wide range of medium to large corporates, we have strict policies in place to meet the diverse and demanding array of regulatory, governance, and compliance requirements of these organizations. When it comes to the health of your data storage, DC Encompass will provide a complete overview and diagnosis of your backup infrastructure, as well as proactively offer ongoing recommendations for improvement. At DC Encompass, we are one of the country's chosen leading providers because we work with the best IT partners, and because we care about the ongoing data safety and security needs of our clients. For more information, contact DC Encompass today on 1300 002 112.